What's up guys, this is Awesome Studio here, and today I'm gonna be showing you my 5 walk to solve so that can make you improve your PB or your single average solve. Yeah, never mind. Let's begin this video. So all the scrambles will be into link description. You can check them out. So let's do it. So I'll do white crosshair. By this one, I do R prime, D prime, L2, and inside this is a pretty annoying cross. By the way, I solved this part. I took it out and then I insert like this so I can solve this pair. And I solve this pair. And then these pair. And then this overall. And then I got a G prime. That's not a quite good solve actually, but let's try to do it. Okay, the second one. Okay, this one is pretty simple. It could be a nice one, but let's do it. I do it low cross, hold the red side, D2, FR, and then I did a slide on it. I was trying not to separate these two pairs, and then, by the way, separate them and then insert it, and then pull up this pair at the back side. So if I do that, give me this. And then I solve these two pair. If I was correct, if I do U2, R prime U2 R, I might be skip the PL at it. So if I do the wall, I skip. So yeah, let's get into the third one. This is actually a nice one. I do with F2 L F U R2 D prime R prime, and then I solve this two pair, and these two pair, and then these two, then this one, separate them. Then I got a soon, and I got another G prime again. Okay, let's get into our third solve. So this one is a pretty good one. If I was correct, if I do F prime, R prime, that helped me to fix my X cross. And then, by the way, I solved this two pair. Now if I solve this pair, I know it's this one pair I will insert. Now I know is that if I insert this pair, these two pieces could be connected together. Now if I insert it, the overall will be orientating, and then I got a T prime. Yeah, that's a pretty annoying scramble. But instead, I'm not kidding, because I was doing the scramble. Nah, I don't know. Let's begin the last one. For this one should be a little tricky. I'll do F prime, U2, L, F prime, and then let this orange in. That finished my cross. By the way, I saw these two while I was inspecting. Then I saw this too. And then these two I separated them because I also saw this two pair, so I try to separate them. Insert. Now let's solve this two pair, and then I got a last layer skip. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you my next cute video.